Hi, hello guys, this is Syed Makram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. As we're covering the Excel series, and in the previous section, we could see we have developed or we have created our own monthly budget sheet, and this is the sheet which looks like monthly budget sheet for bills like Jan, Feb, and March month, and with total percentage and total amount of that month we have calculated each and everything. So right now I will be deleting this all because we did previously on like cell references. What we did previously is like we calculated the things with relative cell references with like completely for B6 calculated. We have pressed, then we have done with added up all the things, and then we have B8, then we have B9, then we have B75, like B10, and then we enter this. This is how we used to calculate previously with cell referencing, but relative cell referencing. But this is not going to work because this is for like this is for just 5 rows, and we are calculating with each and every cell, adding up each and every cell, and that is not going to work because in real time we will be having like thousands of rows or more than that, and we couldn't able to do this like step by step. B6, B7 to B1000 or 10,000, we couldn't able to add it step by step. It will take huge time, right? That's why we got introduction towards like predefined functions in Excel, which are very beautiful thing and great that it will solve a problem so quickly to adding up or doing the sum or division or for sum if or doing minimum or maximum thing calculation, or for doing like if sum or calculating the average. So we do have like predefined functions, which is great feature in Excel. So let's see how we can do that. As we're covering the sum function over here, we need to go into the formula section, and then we need to see in the ribbon like math and trigonometry, search for the sum. You could see over here, here is the sum. Click on sum and click on the parameter or the things what you want. As you know, we want this all, we need to calculate this all, but the thing is you need to go back because I haven't selected the cell. Over here I have selected, so it should be on total. Then click on again math and trigonometry, and again you could see you can go on the sum because calculating the sum of it. So from B6 to B10 I have calculating this, and I want this parameter, and I'm just clicking on OK, and you could see how beautiful you got the sum of the rows which you want, or column from like B6 to B10. And then I need to just go this, I need to just copy paste this. This is so simple, and this will just work the same with the sum function from C6 to C10 and for D2, D6 to D10. This is so beautiful. And again I need to calculate from left to right. I need to calculate this rent and so on for each and every row, like how much is the rent I paid for completely for 3 months, for same for the cars and credit card bills and photo and so on. So again we don't want to add each and everything with cell references like equal to C, like equal to B, then 6 plus adding up C6, then adding up D6. That this is not what we want, because we want to do it by the sum function, which is very easy and smooth. So just click on sum function and then click on the things what you needed from left to right. Yes, B6 to D6 you needed. Click on OK, and you will get the result, and copy paste the same thing down. That's it. So smooth, you will be working on the same thing. That's it. And you want the total of this 3. Yeah, total means I need to just go for click on anything, like I just need one total of this, so click on this. So simple, you get to see how beautiful you got the data, and you got the percentage too. and then click on this, because this is what the pattern we are following. And so simple, we got the 100%. This is what 1 means 100%. This is what the percentage what we calculated from easy sum function. We have did so beautiful things within just within a minute or within few seconds. Like for rent, what we can see, 3,600. How much we have spent total is like 61%. For car bills till now for 3 months we have spent like 12%, credit card 6%, then again 0.15%, like so on, like 1.5%, so on. This is how we calculate the things, guys, in Excel. And this is all about like doing things with sum function, or calculating your monthly bill with sum function. You can apply sum function anywhere, on depend on what you need it, on how you want to calculate the sum with n number of rows and a number of parameters, what you want. So this is about sum function. And next I will be covering the next topic from here, will be very crucial. So it will be covering the, so like n number of functions and so on. And the next topic will be on like minimum and maximum function. And I hope you got it, the sum function in Excel. And if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section, and I will be helping you anything about like Excel, on like sum function, average function, or anything which related to the topic which I have covered till now. That's it, guys, for the today's section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.